Hello guys and welcome back to our channel AutoZone India. Today we are going to do a review of Volkswagen T-Roc. But before that, those who are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to never ever miss any of my motor updates. Talking about the vehicle, it comes with a price tag of 19,99,000. It claims a mileage of around 15.5 km per liter. Engine capacity is 1498 cc. Transmission is automatic, fuel type is petrol and seating capacity is often 5 people. The Volkswagen T-Roc begins the new chapter in the market. Being the first of the 4 SUVs of the company, the T-Roc is imported as a completely built unit CBU offered in a single variant with 6 colors to choose from with an introductory price of 19.99 lakhs ex-showroom pan-India. The T-Roc has a younger version of the familiar Volkswagen Fascia seen on SUVs like in Tiguan and the Allspace. The brighter color palette, unique hexagon LED DRLs on the front bumper, large 17-inch alloy wheels, design flourishes like the sailboat like in C-pillar design and concealed exhaust make the T-Roc stand out amongst the competition, especially compared to the slightly tougher looking Jeep Compass. Inside, the T-Roc hopes to have with its feature. The highlights inside includes the large panoramic sunroof which helps brighten up the space, an 8-inch central infotainment touchscreen with multiple connectivity options and inbuilt feature, and an 11.3-inch all-digital driver display, heated front seats and dual-zone climate control system with an AC vents, split folding rear seats and intelligent storage space are the other features which make the T-Roc cabin exciting. The T-Roc is offered with a single powertrain option, a new to the market 1.5-liter TSI Evo petrol engine paired to a 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission powering the front wheels exclusively. The 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine develops 148 horsepower at 250 Nm torque, which is not a new performance benchmark for the segment. It does have a fuel saving trick up its sleeves, so it can shut off 2 cylinders during coasting the save fuel. Through the company have not started how the efficient it is RI testing cycle. Talking about the color options, the vehicles comes with 6 color options. First one is Kurkuma yellow, second is energetic orange, third one is pure white, fourth one is Ravenna blue, fifth one is Indian grey and the last one is deep black. Talking about the dimensions of the vehicle is 4,342 mm in terms of length, 1,819 mm in terms of width and the height is around 1,573 mm. Through the vehicles has received great amounts of ratings out of 5 from various big notch giants like 3.6 out of 5 to around 4.3 out of 5 rating for this vehicle. Also, if you ask me, my personal opinion is this Volkswagen T-Roc, it resembles me like an Audi Q3. Rather than going for an Audi Q3, if I have a price sensitive on my pocket, so I will go for the T-Roc as an option. So guys, so far if you had liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our own YouTube channel AutoZone India. If you have anything as in suggestions, you can mention it in your comments. I request you to either like or dislike the video. Thank you. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that we will be in touch and you will never miss any of my motor updates.